salt on my lips, hair in a wild knot, sand in my shoes, every thought untied, boats like little toys, rocking in slow time, your jacket on my shoulders, your hand brushing mine. Where the wide waves turn, I'm learning to lead. Let the wind write stories all over my skin. Seagulls draw circles crying over the foam. Out here with you, every shore feels like home. Hum that old song, I catch the last line. You're caught in sighing, like it's reading my mind. We walk the wet edge, where the tide just fell. You laugh, let it take us. I say, yeah, what the hell. Hey! Where the the sky goes gray, if the storm rolls in, I'll still hear the harbor in the rush of your grin. When the night grows cold and the world feels far, I'll follow that shoreline right back